Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect VSCode to a Salesforce org. First, ensure you have Visual Studio Code installed on your machine. Next, install the Salesforce command line interface, or CLI, which is essential for interacting with your org. Then, add the Salesforce extension pack within VSCode itself. Finally, confirm you have access to a Salesforce developer org or a sandbox environment to connect to. Now, let's authorize your Salesforce org. Open the command palette in VSCode, typically by pressing Ctrl+Shift+P type and select the command sfdx, authorize an org. You will then choose your login URL, such as production or sandbox, and provide a memorable alias for your org. A browser window will open, prompting you to log in and complete the authorization. With your org authorized, you can now retrieve its metadata. Begin by creating a new Salesforce DX project in VSCode. Then, open the command palette again and execute the command sfdx, retrieve source from org. You can choose to retrieve specific metadata components, like Apex classes or Lightning Web Components, or pull down all available source. Your local project will then be populated with these files. Finally, let's deploy your changes back to the Salesforce org. After making modifications to your local source files within your VSCode project, open the command palette one last time. Execute the command sfdx, deploy source to org. You can select individual files, specific folders, or even your entire project to deploy. Monitor the output window to ensure your changes are successfully pushed to your Salesforce environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.